If you're just getting into IT, studying for CompTIA A+, or just want to be faster in Windows, learning the command prompt is one of the best places to start. In this video, I'll show you 25 commands that every beginner should know, explain what they do, and show real examples. If you ever wondered what CMD is, here's the quick answer. CMD, or the command prompt, is a tool built into Windows that lets you control your computer by typing in commands instead of clicking through menus. It's fast, lightweight, perfect for troubleshooting, managing files, checking network settings, and automating tasks. Even though it's been around for decades, IT professionals still use the command prompt every single day. If you're learning Windows or CMD, it's one of the best places to start. So the first command I'm going to teach you is dir. It's going to list everything in the current folder. So go ahead, type in dir, press enter, and you have everything in that folder. The second command is going to be cd, or change directory. So we can't just go into any folder just by typing it. We have to type in cd, and let's go into videos. Videos, and if you see this, it says users mkdir videos. That means we are in the videos folder. The next command I'm going to teach you is how to move up a directory. So we're going to go cd ... press enter, and that's going to lead us back to the main directory. The fourth command, since we're getting pretty cluttered here, is cls. That clears the screen. Number 5, we're going to go with creating a folder. How to create a folder is mk, or make, dir, or directory, and then the name of the folder. We're going to go with test, press enter, and we made our folder. Since we didn't have any errors or anything, the folder was made. Let's go ahead, check it, dir, and there's our folder right there. Now we want to clear the screen. Go ahead, cls, enter. To remove that directory, we're going to type in rm for remove, dir, then the name of the folder, test. It's got to be exactly test. The folder is removed. Let's validate that. dir, and there is no test folder anymore. There's a test folder, but there's no test. The next command, we're going to learn how to copy a file. Going to go copy file.txt. We're going to send it to documents. Press enter. One file was copied. For our next command, we're going to rename a file. To rename a file, type in ren, the name of the file. We're just going to go with file. .txt, the new file, my file, .txt. Press enter. dir. Let's make sure that worked. And there's my file. The next command, we're going to learn how to delete a file. You're going to type in del, the file name, my file, .txt. Press enter. And that file deleted. Let's validate that. And it's gone. Number 11, we're going to learn the tree command. So type in tree, press enter, and that'll display the entire file structure of my entire computer. Number 12, to read a text file, you're going to type in typ, and then the file name. And it says, hello world. Number 13, we're going to learn the echo command. We're going to type in echo, hello, and that's how you get it to display on the command line. Number 14, host name, and that displays the computer name. So type in host name, type in and press enter, and that's my host name. Number 16, who am I? All one word. It's really quite easy. Who am I? And it'll display your username. Number 16, display the IP configuration. How to do that? IP, config, press enter, and that gives you your IP configurations. Moving right on to number 17, we're going to go show a detailed network information, and how we're going to do that is ipconfig /all. And that gives you all of your network information. Moving right along to number 18, that is ping. How we use this, ping, and then type in the website. So we're going to type in Google. Going to give us 4 pings to make sure that we're awake and talking to them. Number 19, trace cert, which is going to be a great one to have. It's going to show you all the different network connections all the way to the server. So let's go with TRA CERT, trace cert. We're going to go with google.com again. And it's going to show us all of our hops. Number 20, we're going to check our DNS really quick. How we do that is ns lookup google.com. Press enter, and that gives you all of the addresses associated with google.com. Need to see what tasks are running. We're going to type in task list. Press enter, and that'll give us all of our processes that are running on our computer right now. Coming in at number 22, we're going to learn how to force close a process. So you're going to go task kill /PID, all capital letters, and then the name of the task. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4 or something like that. And then -F is to force close it. Let's see if there's a task going 1, 2, 3, 4. No process is found, but that's how you kill a task. Number 23, system info. It's going to display all of the system information. How we do this is system info. Pretty easy, guys. Press enter, and it's going to load everything that I have on my computer. Coming in at 24. Now, this is a little bit more of a niche command. You're not going to use it a lot, but it is on the A+, so make sure that you know it. It's going to be sfc /scan now. I'm not going to run this for 2 reasons. 1, you need the administrative privileges or the elevated privileges. And 2, it takes forever. So we're just going to let that one be. And coming in at number 25, how to restart your computer on the command line. We're going to type in shutdown /R /T, and then give the time. And this is the time of 0. I'm not going to press enter on this one. Those were 25 of the most useful command prompts for beginners. If you're starting your IT journey, this is just the beginning. Next, we're going to cover more Windows tools, PowerShell, networking, and eventually Active Directory and enterprise administration. If you found this helpful, considering subscribing, so don't miss for the next lesson.